Pasadena homeowners, are you visible where local customers search right now? Every day across the San Gabriel Valley, people search landscaping near me, best local contractor. They look for solutions and current offers, not just business names. A website or a listing helps, but activity wins the click. Most businesses assume being established will keep them visible. Wrong. If you aren't publishing promotions or local deals, you're missing customers. Publish offers, specials, coupons, featured services, limited time promotions, weekly updates, and fresh photos to stay top of search. Show example deals. Homeowners click 10% off spring lawn care, free estimate this week, bundle savings. These active posts lift you in search results, maps, and social feeds instantly. Pasadena and San Gabriel Valley homeowners choose who looks active and offers value. Don't wait. Publish local deals now to capture ready-to-buy neighbors. Start publishing offers today to get calls and bookings. Publish your deals now.